Happy holidays. This is the time of the year that business owners are getting ready to ramp up production and sales to get ready for the holiday season. There are so many holidays that are before us, whether it is Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Christmas, Diwali. There's so many different, so much activity, even Halloween. So as a business owner, if you're selling products or maybe you're even launching a new service, how can you get prepared? Well, one of the ways that we'll talk about today is really to focus on who is going to be helping you. It is all hands on deck when you get ready for the holiday season. And I know it feels like time is going so fast and just evaporating, but now is the time to start looking for that very critical seasonal staffers that will help you be successful in your business. They will be a part of your competitive advantage. You will see a lot of the large retailers starting to say, hey, we're 100,000 employees for the holiday season. So it's important for you to look now. Now, you might be wondering, where can I find these people? It is definitely a hard labor market. Unemployment is at very low rates. And so it might be hard in your eyes to think about, where can I start looking for talent that I can put on my team just for the holiday season? Let me tell you, one of the ways, the top way, is to make a video. Let your community know on your social media platforms that you are open to hire for the holiday season. I also want you to think about, all year long, you are around many different people, whether it is at your local coffee shop, maybe at the grocery store. At least me with the teenagers, I am always at the grocery store. It could be that you are people that you're meeting at the grocery store, people that you're meeting that are parents in the car line, or whatever it might be. You will never understand how many people are looking to make a little extra money during the holiday season, especially with how we are dealing with inflation. Even if you know that that person already has a job, you can say, hey, are you looking to make a little extra cash this holiday season? So put it on video, put it in email marketing out to your community, make a video. These are some top ways. 86% of job seekers are actually looking on social media. The other way is, maybe you already have employees. They are a great resource. They already know about your organization, your company, the culture. And so maybe you can incentivize them that if they bring you a referral during the holidays, there will be an incentive. Maybe it's cash, maybe it's day off, whatever it might be. The other thing I would think about is also think about hiring veterans. Maybe you could use a subcontractor. I was just actually talking with a client who is having to hire a few subcontractors to make her capabilities increase during the holiday season. So don't give up looking for some great talent to get you through the holiday season. But once you have them, you want to make sure that you are being specific in what it is that you need them to do. How do you want them to dress? When do you want them to show up for work? How often are you going to pay them? What should they be doing while they are working with customers, and even during downtime? Be very, very specific. You know what? DPI is always here to help you accelerate profits in your business. So you can schedule a discovery call with us at DPI, the number 2.com.